Greetings, Wizard. Welcome to the Papercraft Wizard channel. My name is Kelly, and I'm so glad you're here. This album was created using the Graphic 45 Princess collection. I don't have a tutorial for this album, but let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create one that's similar to this. I intend to make a box for this book this weekend, so let me know if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on how to create a box. This album was a lot of fun to make. I used faux suede for the spine and the buckle. Inside I used tons of the Graphic 45 collection. There is an expandable spine to make it easier for the pages to lie flat while you're looking through the album. On the inside front album cover, I added 3 pockets and I created these tags with charms and ribbon to go inside of each of those pockets. I also added a pocket from the tags of pockets for this collection. And here we have a magnetic folio. This ribbon opens it up, and here we have a place for journaling and a place for a photo. This page is a lot of fun. I added a few Swarovski crystals here. Hopefully that's coming through how sparkly they are. And then you just pull this little flap down here that's magnetized. There's a journaling spot on there. And then here we have another folio with room for a photo and a spot for journaling. And now we just pull this flap up and it's a pop out. Signature has a photo mat pullout that has a charm and some ribbon on it as well. And there's more than enough space here for 2 to 4 photos on each side. Sometimes you gotta wiggle those photo mats a little bit to get them back in there. On this gatefold page, I've added some stickers and some more crystals. And on the inside, we have a tuck space for journaling cards on each side, some chipboard pieces, and in the center, another folio. Of course, I have a sticker there with another crystal, and there's plenty of room for a couple of photos there. The next page is a waterfall. I've added more crystals on the sides here. This cover flap is magnetic. On this page, I used a Holtz velvet ribbon for the closure. I have a tag and a pocket from the tags and pockets. And on the right side here, I have a ribbon that you can pull to open a folio for additional photo space. On the inside of this page, we have a layout with a portrait waterfall on one side and a landscape waterfall on the other side. I've also added a chipboard piece with some more crystals. a little metal embellishment with crystal cardstock to cut out a circle with one of my dies, and I added a sticker from the collection. On this page, we also have a magnetic folio with a ribbon closure for space for a photo and journaling. Our center page has 3 acetate frames on each side. For this signature, I added a photo mat pull-out, but this one doesn't have a charm or ribbon. I'm just using this extra piece of cardstock to keep the gems from messing up the acetate on the other side. This page has more stickers and ephemera from the collection, as well as crystals, and here a tag and a pocket from the tags and pockets. We also have a folio here to add additional photos, and this is magnetic. I used the Tim Holtz velvet ribbon again for the closure. On the inside, we have tuck spots for 4 photos on the flaps. We also have 2 accordion folios secured by magnets, and these folios hold 3.5 by 5-inch photos. This signature also has the photo mat with charm and ribbon. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell. This page is a double slider. I'm trying to show you the charm and ribbon, but I see that it's a little off camera. The pages pull out, and I do use 2 hands to put it back in. They're a little flimsy until you get those photos secured on there. We also have another magnetic folio with a ribbon pull and space for a photo and journaling. This next page is something new I tried. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. This signature also has a pull-out photo mat with a charm and ribbon. Our next page is a reverse waterfall with a magnetic closure. Here on the back cover, I have more pockets with some of the journaling cards from the collection. I added a piece of chipboard in this cute little envelope from the tags and pockets that I magnetized. I think it's super cute. What do you think of the book? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.